She's back. Today we're doing a silk press. My little niece is going to homecoming. She wanted her hair colored, so we colored it and washed it. Now we're about to blow dry so we can do the silk press. I wanted to say, make sure you use clarifying shampoo. It's very important that you use clarifying shampoo for a silk press to get the best results. Don't forget, before you blow dry their hair, make sure you put heat protectant and 2 dime size drops of BioSilk. The blow drying is very, very important when it comes to a silk press also. You need a good hot blow dryer. It got to get real hot so you can straighten the hair as much as possible. When you do a good blow dry, you don't even have to just depend on the flat iron after that. Because when you do a good blow dry, everything gonna fall into place. Do y'all see how shiny her hair is just from the blow dry? And that's that clarifying shampoo too. It gives your hair a shine. Now I'm going into the pressing. So I always use a hot comb for the roots. And then after I use the hot comb, I usually use a Silkening Mist. But I was out of Silkening Mist. I'm waiting on it to come. It's not here yet. So instead of the Silkening Mist, I use the Light Hold Spritz. And then I use a wax stick, my Remy wax stick. The Remy wax stick helps keep the flyaways down and it helps your hair not frizz back up. But be careful with the wax stick. Don't go crazy with it because you don't want your hair to be oily. Make sure when you're pressing you use the chase method. The chase method is very important for a silk press. If you don't know what the chase method is, it's following the flat iron with the comb. Another tip for a silk press, make sure you press in small sections. That's very important also. The smaller the section, the better results you're going to get. And here I'm just doing my small sections until I get all the way to the top of her head. Now after you're done pressing it all out, you're gonna separate the back of the hair and get ready to curl it. She had to get some cute curls, because she going to homecoming, so we had to make her pretty. And if y'all want to know the flat iron I'm using, it's called Tymo, Tymo. I purchased it off of TikTok. Now here I'm on the other side and I'm just continuing to curl this side as well. Here I just finished curling. Now I'm laying down her edges. And voila, magic. Voila, magic. Y'all, it came out so pretty. She looks so cute. And she is ready for her homecoming. And y'all, she really likes it. Her color came out really pretty. I'm just so proud of myself. We did that. But y'all, that's it for this tutorial. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see, and I got y'all. Bye.